So hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. So in this video we are going to talk about the very first step towards the campus placements. Alright, since it's the start of the final year, placements are either just beginning or some have already started. Okay, so the first thing we were told to do is get a fitness or a health certificate, right? I repeat, it's fitness or health certificate. For that, we were given an undertaking form which needs to be signed by the college healthcare psychiatrist after a short interaction for checking out the basic mental health of the students. Alright, so we just got the form from the Hiteshi stationery shop in the campus and filled in the basic details like roll number, parents details, and etc. Alright, now we are heading to the healthcare center, which is about a 10 to 15 minutes walk from the maths and computing department. Alright, let's take a look at the way there. So finally we have reached the healthcare center and we were told to go to the first floor. As soon as we got there was already a big queue, so we waited for almost 40 minutes before finally meeting the doctor. Alright, the doctor asked some basic questions to check out the mental health. Right, the interaction lasted about 10 minutes maximum, I guess. Yes, or 10 minutes only, and then he signed the undertaking form. So this step is also done. Alright. So next we need to submit a self-attested photocopy of our Aadhaar card and college ID card along with the signed form, right? So we have given a date to submit for all these documents accordingly. So it is like that. That is it for the first step. Okay. So here we are at the back of the admin and central block. After this we had to pass by the auditorium and the library. Okay. Alright, here we notice that the physical reporting for the newcomers or juniors is going on, basically the BTech students. Right, it's been almost 3 days and today is the last day for that. So right here we have the cafeteria and there's a lot of rush around actually. I noticed some of students came with their guardians, right, and especially some of them were with their grandparents actually, and which was really super cute for me. I find it really cute. So that's my maths department, and now we are going to head back to the hostel via a different route, right? I'll give you a quick campus tour. Alright. You will see the student activity center, which is usually called as SEC, right, and cafeteria, library, auditorium, which we have already look over that, right, and the chemistry department. Like chemistry department is in the front of SEC, student activity center. Okay, so here are some steps or the stairs which we have to follow and we will reach the student activity center. It took me around 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay, let's have a look over there. So here finally we have reached to the chemistry department, and as I already told you that in front of chemistry department there is a SEC is student activity center, जहाँ पे सारे activities होते हैं like sports, gym, and the general shop. Like it's a good place to enjoy with friends, right? This is the student activity center. So So here's my way to the hostel. So along with that, we will also check out the PMC and the Nest Cafe over there. That was close, I know. So this is basically the main junction or basically the heart of the campus. Alright, that is it for today's vlog.